Mary earned $689.75 last month, and her sister earned $397.59. How much more did she earn? How we calculate this? We have to subtract from the greater number smaller number. Which is greater? 689 is greater than 397. Let's forget about dollar symbols. So we have 689.75 minus 397 decimal point 59. When we have to subtract decimal numbers, we have to write them in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So everything is okay. And now how we do subtraction? We start from the last column and we are going to the left side. We subtract like we subtract whole numbers, decimal numbers. We subtract like whole numbers. And in my opinion, it will be easier to subtract when we check if we have on the top number greater than on the bottom. 5 is less than 9, so we need to borrow from 7, 1. 7 minus 1 will be 6, and now we will have at the end 15. 6 minus 5 we can do, 9 minus 7, okay, 8 minus 9, no. So we have to borrow 1 from 6. 6 minus 1 will be 5, and now we have here 18. So now it will be very easy to do subtraction. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. We copy the decimal point in the same column we need to have. 9 minus 7 is 2. 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. We calculate that Mary earned $292.16 more than her sister. This is my solution.